Father, if it is possible, let this cup pass from me. Yet not my will, but yours be done.
Aye. If you seek me, let these others go.
Are you the king of the Jews? You have said it.
My kingdom is not of this world.
Father, forgive them.
Hail, King of the Jews!
They know not
Hail,
what
King of the Jews!
they know not what
Bow before your king! My kingdom stands eternal.
Not my strength, but yours, Father.
Thank you, brother.
Father, forgive them, for they know not what they do.
Woman, behold your son. Son, behold your mother.
It is for love.
Today you will be with me in paradise.
It is finished!